each other right now.
Oh my gosh. Did Daddy look up and said, "What are they laughing at my snore?"
I was going up the stairs and I heard a laugh that sounded like a woman. I thought it was Andrew for a second. And then I heard it again.
I thought it was you, Brad. I thought it was for sure you that was laughing.